Here is the easiest way to cook bacon in any frying pan with no sticking. The key here is to not preheat the pan. What you want to do is lay your bacon out in a room temperature pan. Then put that pan on your burner, turn your stove up to low. As the pan starts to come up to heat, that bacon will begin to render out a little fat. Once you see a little fat in the pan, go ahead and give that bacon an early flip or two. Then you can turn your heat up to medium or so. As the pan begins to heat up and that bacon begins to sizzle, give it another flip or two. And then simply continue to cook it until it is the doneness that you like. And boom, that is non-stick bacon. And this works in cast iron, carbon steel, stainless steel, and even tin-lined copper frying pans. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, a nice thing to do is give it a like and subscribe to the old channel if you want to see more helpful and fun cooking videos down the road. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time on Uncle Scott's Kitchen.